She lies there wide awake at night. She wonders what to do with her life. You see, she's filled with all these colors inside. She's scared to go do what feels right. And baby, I'll go be a ship in the storm. Gotta go now, be a bird in the cloud, so I can go, let my colors flow. Big gold ball, big blue ball, red or golden, darling. Well, I know wherever you may go, you leave a rainbow. She's more than this woman, you're more than life to me. She'll hunt you down and they will cut you when you speak, because they always have the answers. They say we're wrong and we are right, but we can never live without them. They are the color of our life, so we gotta go now. I put my head in a cloud. We got to be free. It's the ocean, the sea, no, so we can go. Let my colors flow. Big, big gold ball, big blue one, red or golden, darling. Well, I know wherever you may go, you leave a rainbow. 'Cause I don't know if there is much that I can tell you. Try my best because I really want to help you. 'Cause I don't say it because I'm terrified to hurt you. You cover up because you're scared that people will burn you. And if we never go where we'll never see, we never move, so we'll never be in the places that I've always dreamed. And if we never get cut, then we're never gonna bleed. 'Cause I'm a trade jumper boy. You are the price that I can't afford. You never ask, so never know. 'Cause you're born this way. When you see colors, do you think of me? You see colors, do